So next is reaction of non-metal with oxygen. So in case of non-metal like phosphorus, sulfur and carbon, burn in oxygen to form that corresponding oxides. For example, when carbon is reacting with oxygen, it is producing carbon dioxide, but it requires strong heating. Strongly heated, then it will be producing CO2. Another important reaction is here. Understand, non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature, and what will be the metallic oxide? They will be basic in nature. There is a difference. Metallic oxide basic and non-metallic oxide acidic in nature. For example, sulfur plus oxygen is producing sulfur dioxide, which is sulfur dioxide is what? A kind of acidic oxide, which in turn causes what? Also going to cause acidic rain. Fine. So very important to understand, when non-metal are undergoing reaction with the particular oxygen, they are going to produce acidic oxide. How we can come to know? Again, we are dissolving these with the in the particular solution of water. Then we are getting the, but when we are testing that with the particular litmus test, that will be turn blue litmus to red. That will be the indicating that the particular oxide which are formed by the non-metals are acidic in nature.